Welcome back to our channel. Ever wondered what separates the billionaires from the rest of us? It's not just the size of their bank accounts, but a distinct mindset and set of practices that guide their decisions and actions. In a world where billionaires are often seen as a breed apart, understanding the secrets behind their success can offer invaluable insights for anyone aiming to scale their own financial peaks. From leveraging other people's money to mastering the art of decision-making and persuasion, we dive into the 15 secrets that billionaires know and use to build and sustain their vast fortunes. Join us as we unveil the strategies that allow these financial titans to dominate the world of wealth. Number 1. The art of sharing your business. Billionaires like Jeff Bezos and Elon Musk know that clinging to every share of their company isn't the pathway to astronomical wealth. Instead, they understand that sharing equity with investors and partners can supercharge growth, allowing them to scale their ventures more rapidly. This strategy might mean owning a smaller slice of the pie, but when that pie is worth billions, even a sliver can be incredibly lucrative. It's about strategic dilution for exponential growth. Number 2. Private equity versus real estate. While real estate is often hailed as a wealth-building asset, billionaires know the real game changer is in private equity. They joke that real estate is for dumb millionaires because, in their eyes, the most explosive wealth accumulation comes from owning and scaling businesses. By investing in private equity, they can make significant gains that dwarf those possible in the real estate market, illustrating the difference in strategy between millionaires and billionaires. Number 3. Leveraging other people's money. One key insight billionaires share is the power of leveraging other people's money to build their own fortunes. They start by convincing friends, family, and angel investors to fund their ideas, offering equity in return. This initial capital allows them to build and scale their businesses without spending their own money. It's a cycle of investment and growth that repeats, with each round of funding valuing the company higher and enriching its founders and early backers. Number 4. Buy low, sell high. On steroids, billionaires operate on a different scale, applying the buy low, sell high principle across various domains, from commodities to attention in tech and media. They understand that the essence of business is in this simple formula, but the real magic happens when you can do it at scale. This approach allows them to amass wealth by optimizing markup and transaction volume, proving that scale and margin are king. Number 5. Art as a store of value. For billionaires, art is more than just decoration. It's a strategic store of value. They invest in blue-chip art, not only because it appreciates over time, but also because it's a movable, non-depreciating asset that can be leveraged in financial dealings. This makes art a preferred choice for parking wealth, as it maintains value better than cash, which can depreciate due to inflation. Number 6. The stock market isn't the golden ticket. While stocks can build wealth over a long time, billionaires know they're not the path to joining the 3 comma club. The stock market is great for growing an existing fortune, but doesn't offer the explosive growth potential of starting or scaling a business. This distinction highlights the different financial strategies employed by those aiming for millionaire status versus those aiming for billionaire status. Number 7. Creating a billionaire ripple effect. Every new billionaire creates opportunities for others, turning early believers and investors into wealthy individuals themselves. This ecosystem of wealth creation showcases the power of strategic investments in startups and innovative companies. It's a testament to the idea that backing the right horse early can lead to immense returns, as seen in the success stories of early Facebook and Coinbase investors. Number 8. Liquid wealth is a myth among billionaires. The popular image of billionaires swimming in liquid cash couldn't be further from the truth. Most of their wealth is tied up in the companies they own, making them paper billionaires. When they need cash, rather than selling off assets, They're more likely to take out low-interest loans using their stock as collateral, a strategy that underscores the difference between having wealth and having cash on hand. Number 9. Crisis as opportunity. Billionaires view economic downturns and crises as opportunities to expand their wealth. They're prepared to act when markets falter, buying assets at a fraction of their value. This predatory yet pragmatic approach to investing allows them to make significant gains by capitalizing on the cyclical nature of economies, underscoring their long-term strategic perspective on wealth accumulation. Number 10. A team of titans. Behind every billionaire is a team of experts minimizing risks and maximizing returns. Billionaires don't make it to the top alone. They rely on a network of top-tier professionals to navigate the complexities of finance, law, and business operations. This support system is crucial in allowing them to focus on growth and scale, demonstrating the importance of delegation and expertise in building a billion-dollar empire. Number 11. Enterprise deals over consumer sales. Most billionaires find their fortunes in B2B, business to business, rather than B2C, business to consumer transactions. While Amazon is known for its consumer platform, the real profit driver is its cloud computing division, AWS. This preference for enterprise deals highlights the scalability and profitability of serving corporate clients over individual consumers. Number 12. Rich beginnings often precede billionaire endings. Contrary to the rags to riches narrative, many billionaires start with significant advantages, including wealth, education, and networks. This head start provides them with the resources and safety nets to take risks and pursue aggressive growth strategies. Recognizing this advantage is crucial in understanding the complex interplay of merit, luck, and privilege in the making of a billionaire. Number 13. Ethical quandaries and exploitation. The path to billionaire status is not always ethically clear, with many fortunes built on the back of underpaid labor and exploitation, particularly in developing countries. This dark underbelly of wealth creation is often hidden from the consumer's view, raising questions about the moral responsibilities of the ultra-wealthy and the true cost of low-priced goods and technological advances. Number 14. Obsession with success. Reaching billionaire status requires an almost obsessive focus on success, often at the expense of personal and family life. This single-minded pursuit is not for everyone and highlights the sacrifices and dedication required to achieve such extraordinary levels of wealth. It's a reminder that while the financial rewards may be significant, they come with their own set of challenges and trade-offs. Number 15. Mastering decision-making and persuasion. The most crucial skills for a billionaire are making high-stakes decisions and persuading others to share in their vision. Whether it's convincing investors to back their startups or persuading customers to buy their products, the ability to influence and make strategic choices is what separates the billionaires from the rest. These skills are the foundation of their success, enabling them to navigate the complexities of building and scaling a business. While the secrets we've explored provide a roadmap of sorts, it's clear that the path to extreme wealth is fraught with ethical dilemmas, personal sacrifices, and a relentless pursuit of growth and efficiency. As we close the curtain on the world of billionaires, it's worth pondering the true price of wealth and considering how we can apply these insights ethically and sustainably in our own pursuits of success. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.